The first and most important step in fixing Danby portable AC leaks is establishing a regular draining routine. This prevents water buildup that causes most leak issues. Turn off and unplug your unit before beginning any maintenance. Locate the drain port, which is typically found at the back or bottom of your Danby portable AC unit. Place a container under the drain port to catch the water. Remove the drain plug or cap and allow all water to drain completely. Some models have continuous drainage hoses that should be checked for secure attachment. Step 2 involves checking your drain line for blockages. Clogged drain lines are a common cause of leaks and need regular maintenance. Inspect the drain hose for visible blockages. Look for dirt, debris, or slimy residue that can accumulate over time. If you find a clog, carefully dislodge it and rinse the line with clean water. Step 3 focuses on air filter maintenance. Dirty air filters restrict airflow, leading to moisture accumulation and potential leaks. Remove the air filter carefully and inspect it for dirt buildup. Clean reusable filters with mild soap and water, or replace disposable filters according to manufacturer recommendations. A clean filter ensures proper airflow and reduces moisture problems. Step 4 involves inspecting seals and weather stripping for damage. Compromised seals can allow moisture to escape and cause leaks around your unit. Look for visible cracks, gaps, or damaged weather stripping around your unit. Use appropriate sealant to repair small leaks and replace weather stripping as needed. Proper sealing prevents moisture from escaping and causing water damage. Finally, know when to call a professional. Some issues require expert attention, and attempting repairs yourself can be dangerous. Call a professional if you suspect a refrigerant leak, notice electrical issues like sparking or burning smells, hear strange noises, or if leaks persist after troubleshooting. Remember, tampering with sealed components can be dangerous and should be left to qualified technicians.